channel. My name is Nelly, even though some people call me Nelly's Life. So today is a Saturday and I'm going to Quebec City. I'm going with a few people. I'm kind of excited because I've never been to Quebec City before, and it's something that has been in my plans for like a month. So it's finally happening and I'm so happy. So of course, you know how the dream is, right? You're definitely going to come with me. Guys, we are somewhere. I don't know where this is, but I saw this beautiful church and I thought to show you. We came to take gas anyway. So this is the environ. There's history. Let me see. So, shoot de Montmorency tells you about the history. I don't know. The beginning of industrialization. The birth of Quebec's first hydro-generating station. 1985. It first on the current terrace. guys, we're going to climb to the top. Let's see how it goes. I'm excited. Guys, the water droplets are coming to my face. It feels so good, honestly. Guys, as you get closer, you need an umbrella. Honestly, like, I'm getting wet. I can actually feel the water now. The water droplets on my face. See how this place is wet, right? It's from the water. Wow. It's an experience. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Guys, I'm wet. See my hands even. We needed an umbrella or even a raincoat. We're not supposed to come like this. Woo. See my face? Yep. So we are going to the top. Guys, we started from down there, gone through all these steps, what that we came with. They're still down. We're climbing up. The youngest is already up. Me, I'm tired, guys. I'm so tired. I'm tired of this thing. I'm tired. Too many steps. Guys, I think I overestimated my capabilities. I'm tired. Let me not lie. Woo. I am tired. That's it. Boy, and it doesn't end. I'm so tired. I just want to go. My stomach is even turning at this point. Guys, there's still more there. There's still that hurt that you can see. Not clearly though. And then if you continue, there's still more when I'm tired. I even feel like I'm going to throw up at this point. Guys, we made it to the top. Oh, I felt so tired. I felt bad. Kind of. So I had to get 7 up. Guys, they also do zip lining here, by the way. He wants to go. No. It's all about the bridge. It's short too. The bridge short too. It's not the one that we see. Ah, okay. On arrive au niveau. Not so. Wow. Guys, see this side how the water is still and how the water is serious. Guys, and this is the end. This is the end. Oh, so guys, see where we went through. We climbed all the way up, and then we are back this way. That's the view. Guys, we're done now. Gone through the bridge, gone through the waterfall, and yeah, it was a good experience. Only that I felt bad, like I felt sick. I don't know if it's because of the altitude or whatever, but I didn't feel good after taking so many steps. But apart from that though, yes guys, it was a good experience. We are at the top now. We're out. We only did one way or one time of the ropeway. We didn't do a round trip, and then the other one we walked to come here. Good experience, I must say.
I begin to